In this video, we will guide you through how to create a new user account at LK Domain Registry. First, visit domains.lk using your web browser. On the top right corner of the website, click the Login button. Then click Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your first name and last name and select your country. If you are in Sri Lanka, you can verify your account using your phone number, email address, or both. Phone number is mandatory for Sri Lankan users. If you are outside Sri Lanka, you can verify your account using your email address. You will receive a one-time password, also called an OTP. Enter the OTP to verify your details. You can also choose to receive the OTP via WhatsApp by selecting the option provided. If you select WhatsApp, the OTP will only be received via WhatsApp. If needed, you can request a new OTP after 60 seconds. Enter the OTP and click Confirm. Next, you will see advanced options for login security. Here you can choose your preferred login method. From next time onwards, you can use the selected login method to log into your account. You can enable the Authenticator app method for additional security. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to complete the setup. You can also choose the password method. Enter your password and click Confirm. You can also enable multi-factor authentication for added security. When multi-factor authentication is enabled, you will need to use two login methods to access your account. For example, if you select OTP and password, first enter the OTP and then enter the password to log in. Finally, tick the box to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Then click Register to create your account. You can now log in and manage your .lk domains easily and securely. Your LK Domain Registry user account has been successfully created.